Hello friends, you all are welcomed to our channel English Fun with Words, and today we will learn new 5 or 6 words which are built on the one root, and today we have the root word keval. Keval means horse or horse like. You can say horse or horse like. Keval. Now we have the 5 words which are built on the keval. It is chivalrous, cavalcade, cavalier, chivalry, chivalric, and cavalry. Now look at the meaning of the words and how these words have been constructed. First word is chival, which means horse, and rous is just an adjective suffix. Adjective suffix which denotes some person. So, what is the meaning of chivalrous? Chivalrous means person who obey his wife or women partner very much. Very much. You can say obeying husband. Obeying husband is called chivalry. Obeying husband is chivalrous. So chivalry means a person or a man who obey women. Person who obey his wife or any woman is called chivalrous, means obeying man. Obeying man. So now we will move to the next word. Second word is cavalcade. Caval means horse, and cade from the cados, which means to sit. So cavalcade is generally an unit of army, or you can say parade man who mount on horse. We can say in the parade there is a troop which moves on horse, which comes on horse. So cavalcade is a group of army which mount on horse, which ride on horse, generally in parade, especially in parade. Now next word, cavalier. It is somewhat different from the upper two words. Caval means horse, and EIR means person. So cavalier is somewhat different. Cavalier is haughty person, boastful person, boastful person. Who is boastful person? Who is arrogant? You can say ghamandi. The person who talk about himself very much, who is arrogant, who is haughty, is called cavalier. When you ask a question to someone and he rudely give answer, then he is a cavalier person. Cavalier person means a haughty person, rude person. So I understand that you have understood these words. Now next word, chivalry. Chival means horse, and airy means to obey, but it is different from chivalrous. How? Let us see. Chivalry means the person who obey the knight, who obey the king. It is from the French word. It is a French word, and in the French, the knight was in privilege in second estate. As we have learned or understood in the French Revolution. Hence, chivalry is a person who obey the king. Chivalrous is a person who obey women or wife. Chivalric. Chivalric is also somewhat same, but it pertains to the military. Military means obey of military leader. Obey of military leader. So person who obey military leader is called chivalric. Chivalric is person who obey general in military. So it is different meaning from the cavalry. Well, let us first revise what is the meaning of chivalrous. Chivalrous means person who obey his wife or women. Chivalry is a person who obey the knight or king, and chivalric is a person who obey military leader. Now next word, cavalry. Caval means horse, and ARY is the same as that of the other words. It means the troop on horse. The troop on horse. So there is a group of army in every unit of army which comes on horse. So cavalry is group of army who comes on horse. So this is the meaning. Who comes on horse? Cavalry, the group of person who comes on horse. I hope that you all have learned these words, and please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you, and we will meet in the next video.